Okay, welcome back, everybody. So we're in the home stretch now. So this is the site that we were sort of, working to create. And now we're in the home stretch. Okay, so now we just need to make our site look all pretty and nice, and then that's it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So now all I need to do is, let's say, move this banner up here so it fits nice and flush, right? There we go. Everything's in place there. I could maybe just rearrange this a little bit too, right? But, okay, there we go. So, like what I mentioned, this is where your ruler, right, comes into place. So I'll throw that on, and I'm going to align everything. Okay, so first of all, that is a center point. All right, let me scroll down a little bit. Okay, there we go. So this is the center. So what you want to do is move this over here. Okay, so that's the center. All right, so now I'm going to align these images here. Make sure all these images are aligned. Okay, scroll up. That's good. And then I could even come across here. All right, yeah, that looks good there. Okay, so we already did we already did the images here, so that's okay. So let's move this up a little bit. All right, let's move that up, maybe even move this over a little bit. There we go. Okay, and if we scroll down, I think that we could maybe even move these images up a little bit. Just give it a little more spacing. So let's move it up a little bit. Okay, make sure all these images here are aligned. All right, so let's move this down. Okay, all right, so that looks good there. And then we can move this up just a little bit. Perfect. Okay, and we can maybe move this. There we go. Let's have a look at the site here, and let's see how it looks there. Okay, yeah, so there's some spacing. Okay, so what we're going to do, let me move this. Okay, what we're going to do is, oops. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'll move this up a little bit. Get some spacing there. Okay, and let's see. Okay, perfect. All of this looks good, right? That looks good there. Gonna scroll down. And then we just need to align. So let me put back our ruler here. And I think we need to align okay, yeah, that looks alright. We can maybe align this here. Maybe. Okay, I think everything looks good, right? What do you guys think? Just bring this down a little bit. Okay, take the ruler off, and then let's preview. One thing that I did not mention to everybody that you should always do, you should always save your work. So to save it, just click on the save button right there. Okay, and then it's going to ask you to name the site. Okay, so we're going to call it Fruit Shop, Fruit Shop 1. Okay, and then just save it, and there you go. Okay, it's saving all the pages right there. Okay, and let's preview it and let's see how it looks. Let's do a little preview and let's scroll down. Okay. See that? It just highlighted me about the email marketing because we didn't configure it, so that's why it highlighted me. And this is our site right here. So we got the banner and everything looks good, I think. Scroll down. Okay, yeah, everything looks really good. That's our site. Wow, looks good. Good job, guys. Okay, one thing, let's return back to the site. There's one thing I want to mention to everybody. You can see these counters are working great. One thing I want to mention to everybody that I didn't really touch on for this course, but I know someone's going to ask me questions, is the pages. So when you're working in the editor, if you want to scroll through the pages, you can, one of the ways, or the only way actually, is to go through right here, right? So right now we're on the home. If you wanted to go to disclaimer, just click on disclaimer, and then it will load it. And then to edit the page is the same as what I showed you. If you guys want to add an image or banner, is exactly the same. Right, just go to the plus sign and add it. So this is the disclaimer page that I showed everybody that was automatically loaded for you. So you can see, right, this page, right, we would have to edit a little bit because when you scroll down, some of it is cut off a little bit. So you'd have to probably just make the font a little bit smaller so it fits in this page. That's what you'd have to. Well, that's what we'd have to do. Okay, and then let's go to the terms of use. So terms of website, I think it is. Wait for it to load. All right. Okay, we already adjusted this one. There we go. We already adjusted it, so it fits right in there. And then this is the menu page, right? So again, you could add some images, whatever you like, okay? So that's pretty much it for the course. So I hope everybody, enjoyed it, and I hope everybody has seen how user-friendly this website builder is. All right, so I will see everybody in the next video.